Hi guys! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new BMW S1000RR 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. 2023 BMW S1000RR with new aero, more power and clever slide control tech. The 2023 S1000RR superbike from BMW has been unveiled. It improves on the 2019 model with greater power, more sophisticated electronics, an upgraded chassis, and winglets courtesy of the 30,640 pounds M1000RR. The dual front wings that wrap over the frowning front LED lights on the new RR, which is decked out in 3 new liveries and stands out from the previous bike immediately, are claimed to decrease unwelcome wheelies on track with up to 10 kilograms of more downforce. A bigger front screen and a supposedly lighter, subtly restyled rear end are also there. But the alterations go far deeper than that. The 999cc inline 4 with shift cam now has a suggested 206.5 brake horsepower, which is about 2.7 brake horsepower, more than before. In order to provide the rear tire additional traction, the rear sprocket has been reduced in tooth count to 45. Power is fed to the ground with the aid of an up/down quick shifter that can be programmed for either road or race shift. More sophisticated electronics, which are used on racetracks, keep the rider in control by using the steering angle sensor to deliver controlled slides on the throttle and under braking. The slide control functionality, which is incorporated to the bike's traction control system, allows the user to choose between 2 preset drift angles starting with acceleration. The bike will deftly enable the rear wheel to slip and execute controlled drifts up to that angle, without causing an undesirable high side a la the 500 GP. The brake slide assist and slick ABS modes utilize the steering angle sensors once more to allow you to back the car into corners safely when the speed of the vehicle decreases. Really cool. However, it isn't solely about gadgets. And revised aluminum twin-spar flex frame, which expands on the previous design with many holes in the sidewalls for more lateral flex, houses the liquid-cooled engine as a stressed component. BMW also reduced the steering head angle by 0.5 degrees, from 66.9 degrees to 66.4 degrees. Additionally, they increased the wheelbase to 1,457 millimeters from 1,441 millimeters, and decreased the triple clamp offset by 3 millimeters. This should reduce steering speed and increase speed stability. Moving away from the front end, the underslung rear swing arm now comes standard with an adjustable pivot, making it easier for track day fans and race teams to adjust the rear geometry and ride height as needed. Other features of the new RR include a lightweight battery, a USB charging port, hill hold control, riding modes for both track and road use, a pit lane limiter, revised 45mm upside-down forks, and a 6.5 in color TFT with updated displays. This feature was previously only available on the M Sport version. Need one. Starting at 17,150 pounds, the Sport model's price ranges from 18,610 pounds to 18,610 pounds. As part of the M package, forged wheels can be installed in place of carbon ones. Fancy! So what do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.